instructed and said, go and hand over every single document to the said Nipa Obabe take you over from you. The same day. Nasa Nipa Kwana, yes, or hand you over no. Now your appointment letter can only be. Your friend said the sack letter, that's a transfer letter can send Yankai. No, so there was another letter on the 31st of August 2022 to be released to all staff of Health Facility Regulatory Agency, that is HEFRA. Now, so wait every the board of directors. Now, this is a letter. It has come to our attention that of the board that some members of the staff are concerned about staff transfer and other appointments. I hereby want to entreat all staff to remain calm and refrain from any further publication in the media. Meanwhile, Ghana Majo, before that series of meetings were held. So, the managing director says no. I'm only asking Bano say, Bano, the same guy, I will transfer the free Ashanti region, and they are unknown place. I don't know on your way. Was once your guy. I don't know on any name. It's the DNSC. Ghana Majo. No, what is happening now? But I hear said that there was a demonstration. I just say a bit more question about displeasure. Say near question they don't like it. I won't pay near question. Well, they are subject to their views. But maybe sir, Bano say I didn't see and I'm one because I'm a director was Shanti Reg. I must transfer no. We the film WhatsApp group so general WhatsApp group. We the free so. And then I'm to Krata. And they come all other health facilities. Sir, Nipa Krono, yayi a friend say, yayi the Frashante region, and abroad no kasano nya ne krata. So these are some important questions that Bano you need to ask. Bano, you need to answer these questions. But I just want to do this one. I'm going to prove to you other superior documents are. Bano, the managing director for HEFRA. Wogana Hanu Musei. Now, Mameko Manaso, Namene Sadat in Nikobo. Sadat, Biaboko there.
Biaboko, Minia.
Good. And so, yes, a quick one. The Banamukoya demonstration, or the Antinamukoya demonstration, that was HEFRA.
HEFRA, and they said, enrich, that was Monday, no. Where the Micho Bia, Ethiopian Micho Bia. Yakoe demonstration, no, any press release, no, Monday, and Yakoe. Now, this year, Yakoe, no. But the big thing I pushy, it's me for a son. Nani say, Papa Biowa, what that Efra Amno, your friend, Dr. Bano, and I say, Mr. Bano, one fat a bro, any immediate Amma Zongo for, and I say, Muslim for, and I say, Muslim for. Asemi inu miensa ena esia wo pese wo di zongo fodi abro ye fra papa bi Mr. Inusa Rashid wono na woda Efra ano ewo Ashanti region ha na die ntia Mr. Bano pese wo yini bi se wo ba o pese Mr. Bano eba office wo ye di Kowu 11 Eba office wo Kumowu 11 and I say Bano 11.
What are you talking about? Asama na okay.
Bano 11 and now Kumowu 11.
It's Ashanti region HEFRA office. Yeah, well, Bano 11 or ho and Kumowu 11.
Either Bano 11 or
Kumowu 11.
Yeah, a team.
Omo ye dey.
So when me say Ghana Black Stars, a team. Ghana Black Stars so Ghana phone na team. Now about Kotokwa said the president no doors.
Now let's go into the issue because we don't have much time. Yeah, let's go to the issue.
Nipa, when say Kim Faisal large goods of Kwadia. Any need banner one my effort say or no any the Oba Asante Regional. Your Kumu 11. Our Muoko Accra, Kumu 9. Ewa Accra. Di Kumu 11 no. Womudi wa Ephraim Abra Mumbejima.
87.9.
Mumbejima and he complain now. Coordinator no Emma the boss and say, oh, my own DK Mumbejima but monthly. Womuji salary. When they want to have and Kobe Jima will do salary in Quadia. Any problem being you. But Womumba, a Jimum salary, that is number one. Number two, for past 5 months, EFRA, this big institution, any light, but other institutions are be EFRA,
Omuni light, as in say, Doomswa Nasa Mode Kaniaka.
Omuni Kaniaka, and
Mode Yisiji Fuaka, Hefra.
Yes.
For how long? For how long?
5 months. 5 months.
For Bosubi Num, yet. Are you being serious right now?
100%. As I am coming, your how do you call it? Your documents or one minute kasa. Nah. And to petition, any staff need to petition against one board say the entire money like for past 5 months. So I know what the photo man. I know the copy Emma board no. And the banner say I don't know what the petition. I was a petition on one of the ma board no. And also count and sign a 10 billion no. What the banner cut. Come now, Mr. Banner equal primaries no. Mr. Elizabeth Bob with 100,000 Emma no. One found the primary.
No, but those are personal issues. I mean, those are personal issues. So let us not discuss those personal issues. Me person you did come on in relation to what is going on. One, what the sumu for 5 months. Obi adamuni light, Kania Hefra. Na so na mo ye de adwuma. What are you doing?
Let's be anyway. To light no say to me age mabia. But the entire Zongo for ya sorry and ya bring nani say. Mr. Bano, the whole Ghana National Chief Imam, Ephraim Mr. Bano, well, if you know the same issue with Mr. Bano, one for Boni the National Chief Imam. And Sana, Ashanti Regional Zongo Ephraim, the same as ABCD. But I said that they say catch the MP before and say. Yeah, nordiness. Yeah, same fata say you will do position via our Ashanti regional. That may catch a regional minister. Any how do you call it? Regional chairman. Anka as a engineer only a start problem with Akoma sorry waka. Oh, Mukan Watson.
So right now, yeah, can say the director of Ashanti region or Wahifa.
Yeah, we can Monday, you whom
Monday, more.
Oh, young but I did say we were Accra.
Accra, the Omejuma.
Yeah, they have over Bejima. Every episode of Bejima because I didn't have the penny leader. Young penny. Because young Kwazon for this year about Kupea. What, how do you call it? Ashanti Regional. Your new minister Zongoni, your new KM Zongoni, you know, Bia, yesterday this year about Kupe.
But my site documents were had more on the 21st. Of November 2022.
That's right.
Yaria signed Rashid Enusa Siedu. And on the same 21st of November 2022, you appointed Paul Jan to be the regional director. Now, so what is this letter all about? One day, Yaria signed will be the same day, Yaria appointed will be. What is that?
And I call some Muslim constitution on Quadia meaning. Idea I be in Nani say, catch your party for no, or Monkas and Channel. The one ja idea or ye. And yes, I is on before, and ya idea betiasi. Gentiasi about Kukra. Because some woman penny, I may ye, Miss Enus a dear, and I may catch you, and I may catch your party for and say, we will go around and tell all the Zongos in Ghana they should not vote for the MPP.
Because you people will go around all the Zongo communities in Ghana not to vote for what?
Because this year Bakupea, It's an example to the vice president. And I may catch the vice president say, because this is an example. Almost an example. It's an example to him. So
I see. So the Kumawi 11, Bismarck Bano.
That's right.
Kofi Yankee Bano. Me pacha mo tell you pa me bo Kumawi 11. And at the Bano family. Mo tell you pa. I have all the list. I've told you here me what every single document be our. I have every single document. So Bano, I mean, I know you and you know me very well. So come and talk to me. Help me to understand this thing better. Now, so my member Kumawi 11. I will just take a leave of you so that I can continue with my work. Now, so Kumawi 11. Bismarck Bano. Kofi Yankee Bano. Gloria Mesa. Gifty Mesa. Gloria Boateng. Clement Nyako. Samuel Yeboah. Stephen Bano. Stephen Mafo Bano. Francis Ano. And also Bano. Enos Amufa. Prince Asumadu. Paul Jan. So the Paul Jan who is now the director in charge of Ashanti region is now.
Paul Jan fully and about 2 times pay.
Okay, so Odenya Aka Ediba Miesa Medebeka Hu.
That's right.
I have all the names here. So now your point is that Bando Enya all year no. And yes, sir, you guys mobeted to hear this so right?
That's right.
May I say. Thank you very much. So where you say the Health Facility Regulatory Authority, and I said the Health Facility Regulatory Agency. I don't want to friend Hefra. Now, so these are some of the documents. Medical culture before some make on any issue. Now we were up to speed documents of every single details. Wait, some documents we some letter we. Where your letter board no extra demand. The managing director Bano said, hold on with every single appointment and that's a transfer be a person. That was on the 21st of August 2022. And the 21st of November 2022, Bano went ahead and acquired transfer. You ever know see you? Yami Aduma next week. Metro. Now, so Melody Famiko Facebook. Now, yes, our documents with Mammy. Yes, the sports ministry of my day. Omo budget be nisika be ni nasefo bi omudi omudi ababonti, right? Buame. And now so join me live on Facebook. Now yetimi ni sa komo. Let's get a better appreciation of sa nema we. Beluti mami those pictures, mami videos na yenko yenim. Now so and now the health ministry and the sports ministry, youth and sports ministry. I am tempted to believe that there is nobody who is thinking Yenimo Bionim Yansa ever the sports ministry. Me can't say that one test. I won't match me. The entire sports ministry, the entire sports ministry. I'm tempted to believe, sir. Yenim Yansa phobia ever sports ministry. Ghana Majo. Sure. Mami one example. Isaac Esiamo here the then sports minister. Under this same government. I can say, Kwasi sports stadia, our various regions, 10 regions. Me no can say, he did a pro. His Excellency the late Professor Mills. And I just saw sister a friend say, near to Biase. As we speak, because of politics in tea. But let me get a picture fast, Mr. O. Because of politics in tea. Yeah, Jay. A friend is a stadium need to see baby. And I hear this and I hear politics. So I'm doing politics out of it. Now so come on Facebook and I say Fungo your moody. Just come on Facebook. Sure. Now let's take our time and go through the expenditure of the Ghana Football Association, the Ministry of Youth and Sports, a ministry who don't have any thinking, the right thinking person. Yeah, Jai. You see, I say Super Sports Stadium. It is near collapsing. Here Sports Complex. Asai, near the Biase, aside a pro, ya because of politics. Now, Mutie, the expenditure of the Ministry of I am in one. Sometimes it is so painful. But because the politics are kata yani. It won't cast some cry no crack now. Somebody will come and say, and I would know I don't know, and I so and yet Jimia Nakasade will be cosu. Say yes, some fool and the Eddie Wakana Hanu say ya. Naka, why would the whole ministry release money? Say if I go this house and fool way. Mobra Facebook, now I'm making kai. Now Mutie. Over Facebook, I want Casabenya Daje. You go through it. Then you start reading. Near Naya Summer Ekosu. Eko Kwayasa Sabin Predecessor, Jabi Nanya, Hojam and Hotano. These are certified documents released to the Parliament of Ghana. Then, you near Tam Yakra. Kukufa, near say the Quaco Bobusia, Ababedi Num, Yevia, Minu, taxpayers' money, near the Quaco this out and full way. Then you tell me to keep quiet. Hey, Ghana Majo, Obika Chame. Sisi Oko Koton Suo, a Swaka Kabe Domino, Utia COVID-19 levy 1%. As a Menoka say, COVID-19, yeah, dear, please keep the picture on it. Ghana Majo. Share Mumbra Facebook. Now we measure Saturday way. Now, so expenditure number 1. Expenditure number 1. Ghana Majo. Release of funds for Black Queens qualifying match for Women's AFCON 2022. Mrs. Esikano. Ye di more than far because the Black Queens have not been paid as we speak. But the ministry they say, you release Sika, I'm on the country, an amount of 1.9 million Ghana cedis. Yeah, they are causing a move. But as you speak, Black Queens for your Jamoka. This is Sika why? Sasikano, the Minister of Youth and Sport, where is the 1.9 million Ghana cedis? Most of what they call qualifies. Ghana Majo. Not yet. Expenditure number 2. I am only interested in the Black Stars. Now, Mutie, release of funds for Black Stars versus Ethiopia in South Africa. Black Stars versus Ethiopia in Cape Verde. 2 matches. Ghana, Mutie, 2 matches. Ghana spent 4 million Ghana cedis. Is it not madness? 4 million Ghana cedis for 2 matches. Okay, admitted. Yati ase. Mube full plane. Mube didi. Mube je per diem. Mube ya masem ni nasu fo yina. Yati ase. Na mutie asem full way actually. Release of funds to support the Black Stars. Release of funds to support the Black Stars. And not quite a whooping amount of 57.2 million Ghana cedis. Nonsense. Ni yati hanu mu say. Na hini sports de Masai. A simple sports de Masai. A class sports de is not working well. And near the Biasa de say. Near Tianu said near shut myself full air coso. And nobody saying anything. And you tell me, Jabby, I should keep quiet? No way. Sports ministry, you need any right thinking person. From the minister to the down person, our sports ministry. You need more be our dream, our honomo. Ghana Majo. You was a will be our dream or honomo and I can this as a fool. There will be a dream our sports ministry. Argentina say you can't about matches, you can't about match. Near release 4 million Ghana cedis. Near the about 2 matches are. Near the and non about players. And then the technical team, and the management, and your 4 million Ghana cedis. Not near the Coco support more, and your 57 million Ghana cedis. Mostly in the answer. Ghana Majo. Tio. Omo Mukako Bodo. I spent 4 million Ghana cedis. Yeah, Coco Tom Wachi. Near Moral support. Yes, spending 57 million Ghana cedis. What sense does it make? What sense does it make? Now, Mutie, the playoff match between Ghana and Nigeria. Mutie, the playoff match between Ghana and Nigeria. Yeah, but Nigeria versus Ghana, Ghana versus Nigeria. Some playoff in Ghana spent 8.1 million Ghana cedis. Where you tell me that, yo? This is not my documents. These are certified documents from the Ministry of Youth and Sports. It is the Ministry of Youth and Sports, and you're only interested in Black Stars, because I want them to make up some fun. Yariasa, near the Tukrom, how do you say? Yariasa. Now look at a certified Muslim like Mustafa Hamid and Mustafa Yusuf, our sports minister. You preside over these things. Then another Akufo-Addo as president. I'm the finance minister. I really this has to come without any justification. Jesus Christ. Then you come back to Ghanaians and tell them that you are protecting the public purse.
I shall protect the public purse.
Now that you've lost it.
I shall protect the public purse.
It is Sikaso. Omenyo Hiamai. Nenam Amemua Enkoyeti, Ghana. It is Sikaso. Omenyo Hiamai. Nenam Amemua Enkoyeti.
Ghana Majo.
Akundi.
Sha?
I am a boy Ghana.
It's a more motion documents, the motion ye. Motion ye. Another one that you mind blowing. Oslawusu, yadena koye. Nanabi, yadena koye. Now, so release of funds to support the senior national team, the Black Stars, to participate in the FIFA World Cup, Qatar 2022. Ghana Fosika, the ordinary taxpayer, the only ball, the link, sports and poor and naso. Ghana Bank decided to release 63 million Ghana cedis. See, your former Minister of Youth and Sports, no more kwedi wa buti so no more papa so. No more you mama bu akwenta dia kire. Me say afiwe. You back on the speed because what was a baby piano. We are going to say it. Opa Chimitum. Ghana court. I don't care. Ghana, but yet some of this has some full effort to Ghana for. We can't even protect our own.
I shall protect the public purse.
So naka this asika way. This asika way. And naka yetimi anya botra. And yetimi asese ye various stadia. Naka hiri sports complex ye wie. Near the bias naka ye wie. Baba ya sports stadium naka fort bi ani ho. Naka sports stadium fort bi ani ho. Tamale, that is Aliu Mahaba Stadium. Naka fort bi ani ho no mo. Naka we will know say we have right-thinking people who are putting structures in place. You gather football, they bet me ye. But then I'm saying, ye na yakwa kwa stomach direction. Ni ni nipa ojin, ye nim konfo mo jin. I want the sports ministry on munti. Ya taps ikanu kukufa. E dia mo say, mu kokodi. Nonsense. Nonsense. Then you come back to tell Ghana for say, and the Yeniska, and the COVID-19, and the Russia-Ukraine war, and the Bushis of my pampa so. And then the best be ABC. Because Ghana cannot continue to be sick. We will not watch Ghana to be sick. Yes, I'm Ghana and Yario. But what's the mommy?
COVID was a medical disaster, but a financial bonanza to the NPP. They basically accrued over almost 22 billion Ghana cedi within few months and basically collapsed the economy and are asking you and I to pay with our savings today. Tell me a situation where you paid somebody about $81 million to supply vaccine. He hasn't supplied anything and we are still here talking about it. You have a situation where you paid money, 4.5 million Ghana cedi, as you said, to a contractor to build an isolation center. Nothing is done. And you are telling me that the president gave details. This is pure stealing. And they did these things. Look, you remember the DC in the meeting who was saying that, oh, he got how much? She only got a small amount of money as COVID support. And they were doing this all over the place. This country had a medical disaster in the name of COVID. But we were so lucky to mobilize so much money within 3 months that we should have turned this. In fact, if I calculate, we should have finished more than half of the Agenda 1 project, because in any case, the president said they were going to be built in 18 months. So if you have 21 billion, we would have finished half of them. The reason we couldn't do this is simply because this particular finance minister, who I consider to be probably the worst in the world, I don't think even the finance minister of Afghanistan or anywhere can be worse than this.
And I'm saying, you need some predators and conform with J. Ghana Majo. No more trust the moon, sir. No, today I am in authority. Tomorrow I'll be a pensioner. And I'm going to sit back and watch people do the same thing. And I'm going to go through that pain.
It is Sikaso. Omenyo
It's
Yama.
the young conform some brothers and they don't think about the future. The money man say, ye Ghana Sikana ne, ye and one no, ye Yakono. Now, so all the sports ministry. Now, but let's give me back the figures. There's another one. Give it to me. Now you to me spend all this whooping amount of money. Sasika way. You know, you dear you. You dear you. You dear you. Meanwhile, so that can sports stadium can move for ya. Come for not teaching hospital. Come for editor form. Tafo hospital and come for a woo every single day. Every single day. For a military hospital, machines in the air pro. Severe hospital, machines in the air pro. Other facilities, we don't have well-equipped facilities. And crack it one, and the code war, and the eco school. Just because somebody is not thinking. Any other end is in the MPP. Somebody is not thinking. Yay. It's your show. Now listen to this. So fast way now you're releasing it now. You dear you. You dear you. How many matches you come boy? But let's go back to the previous document. Now Ghana you call Kata. How many matches you boy? You bought 3, me boy. 3 matches. Now you bought 3 matches. Now Ghana. So budget way. 142 million Ghana cedis. Echo. Yedia wie. It's yakaya ya say president ye sika way na president kukufa sa no atap sika no na dey akwa sports ministry. What is so special about that sports ministry? Aye nyan konfo mo dwi amon be kwakwa tina ho. Somebody tell me, don't you have right-thinking people? I'm going to go sports ministry. The money man is corruption-related issues. Yay! The Ghana Football Association, the sports ministry, the money man, I don't know. Sika mo kwa mo kasa mo de ma black quiz for no. As we speak, Sika no nyanko di black quiz for her. But what you say more spending Sika na wi. And you feel they be release you. You release you. Ghana Majo. As we know, say, in a sports complex, as you can see, I'm a this year, under this same government, a buy when another Dakwa Kufado a buy. More in sports complex. Now, no, your sports department, Pepe, no more your story, no. I cried, I wept. And I was like, yeah, come back, plan to me. Ghana Majo, the Kate saw, New Adubiase. And the late President Mills, let me for the grace say, as we speak, go here and what are the boss from? Then we spend taxpayers' money on useless things. And I'm saying we have useless ministry who don't have the right thinking people to think for Ghana. You need the right thinking people. Let's go through the pain today. Tomorrow you're going to enjoy. And there's a certain COVID-19 fund. Jesus Christ.
I shall protect the public purse.
Hey! Ghana man paying. In Krakra, I hear the Sabbath cry you. Owoba, and I didn't diagrasa so soon. No. Owoba, another Kwakufado, who didn't need diagrasa so soon. Ghana for the idea of diagrono. But yes, it is evidence because you have nothing to lose. You have absolutely nothing to lose. Because
Ghana Majo.
what's around the whole with your mafia people? You surrounded yourself with the mafia people. And a mobile Ghana chrono. Kakra. Now, and the major Dajia.
Ghana Majo.
Because next week, there's a part 2 of the Auditor General report. Now, Mutie, and the Minyana General go into details in Kakra, Beluti Mr. Follow the discussion, Mr. Wa. Now,
Akuma FM.
so let's go to the Auditor General report. Now, most of documents away. The total amount of money mobilized. The Minyana General Inaya can Mumra Facebook, the total amount of money mobilized. Now, so, yenya 7 different funds from different institutions. I have sent you the documents. Screenshot number 8. Please follow the discussion.
Akuma FM.
Now, so, what are all these documents? Number 1, the government of Ghana, the contingency fund. Now, so the contingency fund is the only fund that Ghana Mampaini has the right to enter into it without any permission from anybody. Because that time, not just the best yes, we. This is Ghana for who you hear more. Mampaini and not that Kwakufado, Asia, so much now. Now, Ghana for what's wrong just like that.
Akuma FM. Akuma FM.
It's in the contingency fund. Program almost supporting, almost say, almost supporting program. Now, Muntie. Hey, Radeja Kupo. The gods of our land. The gods of our land. Have mercy on us. Now, so, now, we know what's that, Mumbra. The COVID-19 fund.
Ghana Majo. Akuma FM.
That is the contingency fund. I was supposed to support the COVID-19 aviation program. In 2020, I was spending 1,203,000,000 Ghana cedis. 1.2 billion Ghana cedis. Almost that's Ghana almost spending here.
Ghana Majo.
Yeah, that is the Siko Munya. Mobilize here. Okay, agreed.
Ghana Majo.
It is somebody to the card that Yam Premware. Because more there, Moya Dada. Moya dear. Ghana for Eboma Basso. Ghana for any Majuma Moye. Instead of says, see, the Moya Banaya Fefe.
Ghana Majo.
Now, so number 2. Number 2, very simple. World Bank, so enya free World Bank.
Ghana Majo.
In 2020, yenya sikabia from World Bank. 2021, yenya sikabia from World Bank. 2022,
Akuma FM.
I was sika yenya free World Bank ni na aya 1.9 billion Ghana cedis. 1.9 billion Ghana cedis. Take note of this.
It is Sikaso. Omenyo Yamai.
Now, you see, the World Bank comes with about 4 different accounts, 4 different mobilization funds. Okadi now is about 65 million US dollars. 65 million US dollars, which is equivalent to about 1.9 billion. Fast forward. IMF, the International Monetary Fund, also Emma Ghana $1 billion US. 1 billion US dollars. 2021 and 2020, 5.6 billion Ghana cedis at the buyer. 2022, Nina equivalent 5.6 billion Ghana cedis. Now, so Africa Development Bank, the Africa Development Bank, also supported Ghana $1 billion US. The Africa Development Bank has supported Ghana with $1 billion US. The European Union has also supported the buyer. The Bank of Ghana COVID-19 bonds. Mutio, I am breaking it down. I'll take time to break it down. But let's go to the table. A table form. The Bank of Ghana COVID-19 bond. Yet minya 10 billion Ghana cedis. Mutie. Hey. You see? About we say Jimmy O.
Akuma FM.
Ghana other accounts. Other accounts. Nina. It's okay kadina bobu okay kasika yenya Ghana yenya bobu a. Oh. Yenya 21 billion 844 million 189,185. Sasika when Ghana basi yenya yo. Yeah, they cook COVID-19. You mobilize it and they cook COVID-19. Now, yes, away from this figure, you got the utilization of World Bank Group. Seek out with them for COVID-19. Utilization of World Bank Group fund about the mark COVID-19, which was about 430 million US dollars. 430 million US dollars. When free documents were free me ho. If you the Auditor General. Now look at this. Report Auditor General Debayani and say, we noted that the World Bank Group in Ghana in 2020-2021 made available a total of 430 million US dollars to the government of Ghana COVID-19 emergency preparedness and response plan. Mutie, bravo. Now, so these were the observations. We observed that a had a corona started say no. And a corona started say no. We observed that out of the 430 million US dollars made available to the government of Ghana, a total amount of 328 million US dollars, which is equivalent to 1.97 billion Ghana cedis, were disbursed to the Ministry of Health for various approved health interventions as at June 2022. Me pacho, Mr. Wo, Mr. Mbisa, Kotojogu form, and Sada Sayem, Mr. Mbisa, in June 2022, you released an amount of 328 billion US dollars, equivalent to 1.9 billion Ghana cedis, to the Ministry of Health for various interventions program. It's a Kaka intervention program bay and a course June 2020. 22. Interventions program bay and a by the government of Ghana or the health ministry. Yeah. Mutie Brafuwe. Our audit disclosed that the amount of 328 million US dollars, equivalent to 1.9 billion, disbursed to the Ministry of Health was utilized on medical equipments, cleaning materials, machines, consultancies, storage facility for the various for the vaccine and deployment, life insurance, construction, leasing, and renting of treatment and isolation centers. Jesus Christ. Move here, this can hear you. And now, sir, Ghana, ni Kwakwajima menu, and then the health ministry at $1 in Kenti. Mosha Moho Puseya, Moho Puseya,
Ghana Majo.
Move Jimmy.
Ghana Majo.
Ha!
I shall
General
protect
report
the
say,
public purse.
or more that a review say, out of the amount of $328 million US, that's equivalent to 1.9 billion Ghana cedis, disbursed to the Ministry of Health, was utilized on medical equipment. Some of the control medical niema, that is a machines our hospitals. Okay. Over the bid to cleaning materials, including paper towel, JNS for the providing here, what 3.5 million Ghana cedis. Mudim JNS. Sa JNS no bo the National Cathedral for Bosiano. Or no, and the providers are paper towel. No, your friend is saying, is it paper towel?
Ghana Majo.
3.5 million Ghana cedis. Yeah, the bad so far got paper towel. Machines better to tell you. Mr. We are going to give an account of all these things. Yeah, we are going to hit the grounds and give an account of every single detail. They said, yeah, green book no. Yeah, green book no. You see, you are quite to Adam say, yeah, what of yourself, quite now, hold one pa, you buy that way dodge. Stand the COVID-19 find way. Some corona more bono. We are going to review them. Now, so, audit for say, there was another level of conspiracy, which was consultancy.
Ghana Majo.
Mutie, eti sasi kade de World Bank for Sikana, now you $430 million US. Now the health ministry adicate dibu $328 million US. Eko. Now, I have a for my $1 billion US. IMF, the International Monetary Fund. MIA, no, go back to the same documents. Don't go back to the same documents. The International Monetary Fund. Mobile Facebook, mobile share na for Frosunya bin share. The International Monetary Fund, Emma Ghana, $1 billion US. Mr. Moshe ni edi esika ne ye. Mutie ne ye. We observed that the government of Ghana received $1 billion US, equivalent to 5 billion US dollars, $5.5 billion US, right? That time, yes, 5.5 billion Ghana cedis on 22nd April 2020 from the International Monetary Fund fund to support the budgets, the 2020 budgets. Okay. Now, hey, Ghana, I don't know. We are just funny. We are simply funny. Yeah, what's it to do? Yeah, dada, yeah, what's up? Nenema say, nenema pro, nenema yetata, ne yehwe hwan ne yehwe sa nema we sa. Na da kwakufu ado te wono musa, ne the paper na bre no. Na please sign here. No so assign, no assign sa, no ko. Owi ado ka just say I was under influence. I didn't know anything. Me akra na my head. Come on. Eti
Akuma FM.
Yesika na ye COVID time ni mu yesi ye utilize sika no. Ye per calculations bi ye. So the be betumi fit into the figures. But as we speak, nyame aduma next week. Ye benya daje all the various agencies. Yes, the big bread, the municipal assembly, the ministries, departments, and agencies. Into Asokwa for your money, you be provided hot meal at the Ghana for 3 regions in Ghana. It be spending more than billions of dollars 3 regions I call lockdown. You're spending billions of dollars. And now, yeah, that's what your COVID fund. And now, yeah, that's what the COVID. What kind of country are we? What kind of administration do we have? What kind of president do we have? A president who is bent on protecting the public purse is not a president who is bent on exposing the public purse. And then America, may say Ghana, you've been declared bankrupt. Bankrupt! Bankrupt! And the Ghana, a Juma na Kiaton. Say the Ghana, a Juma na Kiaton.
Akuma FM.
A whole minister. Ghana for in that Tobanu Gusu say, Nanado Danko Kufado, some minister way, tell him to resign, or let him resign, or reshuffle no. Nanado Danko Kufado say, you don't have any justification to tell me, sir, the health minister, you on resign. After so born Ghana chrono, no you ever catch Ghana for say, I wasn't thinking straight. As if Sunday the COVID I will amano. As if Sunday the COVID I will amano. A home minister was telling Ghanaians to say he wasn't taking when he was signing the deal. Emma Minoka say $81.8 million US. Yeah, the class say the Kwakwa Club vaccine, Eddie Abano, $81.1 million US. No, it's nowhere to be found. Health Ministry daddy. So by as we had the Wagana ni. As per the nani, as the Wagana ni. Na ya badam ni ya ba. Na ka you support na kebesha basade we na akoso. Then they tell us that we have a better administration.
Akuma FM.
May God have mercy on us. Yeah, I am a Ghanaian. And I'll continue to be a Ghanaian. Please, touch not my Ghana. Touch not our Ghana. So if you saw the way you yourself, go ahead, so be it. Go and do your man yourself. Now me momu DS about Ghana somebody la lie. You can go ahead and do your NDC, your MPP. I care. I don't care. I don't give a damn about that. But when it comes about issues concerning Ghana, hey, you dare not.
Akuma FM. Akuma FM.
Yet to be share Masadema way and Koso. Just like that, ni edi Ghana sika, ni yaba, o munya botre, na munya botre, na munya botre, and na sa COVID-19 di ye hwanwi. Have you seen any center? COVID-19 by dia didn't ye sika ni ye. Mubeja di sa COVID-19 sika di bitua. Ye friend say, napko foka. COVID-19 sika ye di bitua. Foka. Oh, a friend say. Better stock of worker. COVID-19 sika. Ya the bit school feeding worker. COVID-19 sika. Ya the bit free SHS worker. Meanwhile, a year before the COVID-19, near the kind of budget and by who our source of funding for the for the NAPO trainees and of course the school feeding and the free SHS. But I'm saying about Pekro about maybe I'm modifying. But our God will not forgive you. Ye chema mumo kukro ye say ye permanent disappointed ye. Ye de akukra so babetna so akukra so no pe bia no ye. Hey. E di ani. Baby edu ni ana. Na memra ndi sisu kakra. Afre na ndi sifu awie omo a friend is saying crisis meeting, you know. So Mutiemi, Beluchifa, omo video no, and then the mom kokoya omo original office. But there's a member of Facebook. Just come on Facebook.
Akuma FM.
As was for you, I'm sorry for. Come and play the voice for me. Come and play the voice for me. So, ladies and gentlemen, as I was saying, this before, Omunye. You know why they are doing this? Because they see Mutaka free the minority bench in parliament. Eti, I want to say, Eti hwɛ mo hwɛ NDC foni asewase o asewase mrante no mu nie omo ntɛ mo ho ase ijoma akɔ party office Erade
Yes, okay, be ready at your being poor. I was so yet then. Obona money. Nanny pass up was some rise to the occasion. Whatever ranking, what be leading member, whatever minority chief rep. Now, oh, Sarim, free mark letter, and to social media say, why is the brand if in the Sudan say, and this in pay for Mombuya. Nasa be being poor, I will party in the percent, or Moma Montaka Etia, Naka party in pay for who cries on better. Notify Muntakani Haruna and Saramoy, or my taking decision. Party no answer a mom, party and communicating among Umpofrim, Yasorea, party where you are my them, every Ghana's parliament. Yes, so what's the NDC? Yajutuma. Ebia NDC in paying for Adin Yamai. Yes, it's Sankofa Yenti. Ye kai almost say NDC Fapem to do an a zongo for. Na ye zongo for ye di party ni dom enim. Sabi and Kawasa party ne pedo do na eka wompono. Sabi one ya bibia mbo wasa ye nya den. Ye bono pro no. Ye say you omo esi nche na che zongo for ye NDC mo. Ye future say. We are calling on the national leadership say this is the time. A crossing makana menye day. The next reconvening date of Ghana's Parliament 7 February. Ebrenkoi, the functional executive of the party, Yedina Mwenim Asramo say, Sabe, elections are year 2024. Yenya Brepa, Omo acting, no Mutia Sufre, say a party ni ye dia, any monimu and then watchana, Mutakana reduce the Omoyafi Ghana's Parliament as a leadership, no, almost alpha the Nimbra, the party.
So Ashanti regional constituencies na hodoɔ na your fan constituencies. Eti dodoɔ na hwɛ asoase sɛ on papa no hwɛ asoase hwɛ other constituencies. It's a wo ye bibi sɛ yi a ade ahyɛ panyini sɛ yɛ animonyam na sɛ wo yi ni pɛ sɛ yɛ firi hɔ no mo a ɛnyɛ ne kwan no no. Ontwerɛ letter fan kɔto social media sɛ mayi na di. Ɛna nka frɛ no kora na ne no ka kyerɛ ne sɛ decision say na mpɛ sɛ meteki ansa na ko teki ade kɔ to social media de ne nipa na wo twetwe no na wamfa ebu ama de to so biem so hwɛ ade a obi te sɛ ɔno abo mu ntaka meka mu ntaka because ne constituency na megina yi na nka ɔno abo hari na dusu so ka ho bi na adwuma a wayɛ wɔ parliament aba besi sabri adwuma a wayɛ wɔ party na adwuma a wayɛ wɔ national na say what bafe na wo ba na wo first major decision and say we disgrace such a person na kire say one fa ebuo ama onobo mu ntaka ene ni padom a yedi nachi ene vote ahodo a wotwema party no eye election year bia vote ahodo a wotwema party no on say biota fra cho me enipa eye mfomso bi na me say o maye eti omo ntena hwenhwe mfomso ni no mo correct no
even in the parliament there is many MPs bebre omo parliament no mu no decide your council of elders no decide the ose munye na enya papa na enhye ye enimonyam ye asawasifo de ka kire mu no alhaja say du nketia wo ba asawasifo yina so ma de wudi be ye enimonyam ne this very yempene
eti de kan say wo mo sanfa mo baliki dibre ne ma no so mo anfa dibre na ama no a yen asoase ye be ye skirt and blouse ye be so bana ma muntaka na emom ayi ne de ye ntoma wo mo
so where asawase for erebo kosobe party office na nipa mo kwakwa send petition na mo hyehyɛ taa sɛ wɔ hɔ no mo asawase mo ka sɛ krodi amodi ana okay meba munya botre ma me Ibrahim Abubakar was now was see hɔ no bi Ibrahim bibi abɔkɔ deɛ yes fantastic I just a letter this evening and a grabber sir yes NDC party hɔ no mo hye eti kɔbra apada pa ma hu jabi wɔ hɔ no mo na yɛ di eja
Akuma FM
party ma omo asawase constituency a omoni abri pa omoba ya na omosheshe katai ni na ni se omoti member of parliament Muntaka Mubarak ye yine fro the Adakulu member of parliament Kwame Abuja aba say on be minority chief whip osha enra NDC the krata by say omo leadership for parliament no omo asese bi won say leadership ni ye enum nemom emsemiensana ya sesa omo ebe foforo abe replace omo de omo ho ne de omo de omo gusu ha ewo ha na uba santima ntem so ani say kan NDC aye ntimi nyi asawati enfrim nti omo ni say sa opposition na omo member of parliament ekura no ma asawati power na esa ejinja amanfo dodo na ema yie bia no yeto aba asawasi etiminya vote kese last year omunya almost omutiminya 50,000 60,000 na etimi edema NDC nti na mabunu no ne ekuoma ne se omunti ahye say party ni take sa decision no na national executives take decision there omunzo ntimi nkonka wanti wato omubufu ina no omudi besi regional executives so nti ene omudi kan ye press conference ka say omudi omama mpanimfo no kopem say parliament won't see omo recess omoju omahome ombeba February 7 nti kopem say February 7 na ombeba no na mpanimfo no asa reverse decision na omudi kan take ye no na ya ma obia aye ne jumaistan say sesi ano no mama ye din na obianso prese obetimi enya 2 minutes 2024 nti omusha leaders we no na ombetimi apre ama nyenya nti omo de omo wie press conference na na omo dodo na nso so omo ho ede ma ne tai ne petrol se kerosene omo ba ya na omo peja in fact yes police won so etimi bedru won tempa na nka anhwe yekura na by now maybe na nka omo say no menti police won so e ba ho pa bebre na ebe make sure say omo aba no so de ombe bia no de omo nye nemum omo nhwe na omo ankosei bibia regional party chairman so na na kwesi edimika e ba obae that time ne dididididi nemum ono ba ya ono omo kasa ye no omo ya sutie e ma okatro omo se omo problem ina no omo abe katre no enti ono nso be make sure say omo be forward akwa appropriate quarters na de wo say etire no omo ye bia no omo be na ono nso ama omo muaye no nti ndi okaye no omo ina agitu mu e ma afege obia san akofro ni ka omo na nchen so e na ntie e ma ebi omo ti kakra e de omo kwa asawazi se ndi be ya onim se ebi ani pa mienu miensa be hia no obia ni de wo na adwene man hwe a omo koba kura no na ebi mu akoseiche no man ti omo make sure se de omo koe e na a police for no esansan omo tinti asawazi de esi ahwa ye hwe se jebi emze be 2 weeks 3 weeks na wa asawazi pa na division kakraba omo di member of parliament eki na constituency chairman
that's all whole
but when you see enra no jebi in fact omo na me hu say omo mu Ntaka camp say you call different press conference omo anu omo constituency chairman ne camp eno omo Muntaka camp na the press conference omo ina ne ka abom ye eno omo nso no omo ina nso na san ka abom omo ka bom a omo ba party office no because fair me follow ye no na minimum omo ha enti ende no na actually in one voice in unison no omo ina no e ka bom because no omo ina won say na as a power play omo no even though power play no ba obia so pete ye be ka say asawansi tumi na o parliament no ana asawansi ni na o parliament no ebeba from esanze me confirm candidate kura ba na obetumu Ntaka na asawansi ni ni ba forma ebe affect no asa affect constituency ni na nti when dey we so ma ka bom and they say press conference amuye no constituency executives no chairman no me hu no but all the other constituency executives, you know, we saw more. In fact, secretary of the constituency, no crano, and addressing media, no, and I within executives in the eye, and you say, Omuma Achafa, a bit more chairman, no camp, a bit more Muntaka camp. But when the Omina Ekabumu, I say, or mobile fight for a common purpose, Amina, and the bank says, and the ABCH, almost Mama, party no ultimatum. Say, see, our moon candy or mobile, but the party near Tie or Masama. And a friend or moon to bear the next line of action. In fact, every money or more can't cut a skirt and blouse no more bear. Send and see a bass answer likely say and be affected the fortunes of the party or as our constituency.
Now, so I want to put a cancan.
Yebi.
I want to put a cancan.
And for now, the official in India on Kasai. And Obian so make I say or say or say into officially there a young TV being free no almost there and you almost say you on and say almost there a buy no almost show or more disappointment no and almost for more kogu party office almost say kai
Mate Ibrahim Jani Academy why me that say Nyamenka ho. Nyaka ne yemi media. Why? Okay. Now so Ibrahim Abubakar is senior reporter, as a senior journalist or media general Hanu say. Now muti. As a wasi constituency for Palai. One. Omufi say chairman Asedun Ketia. Muti o. Omufi say chairman Asedun Ketia. Any mutaka ewo issues. Chairman Asedun Ketia, any Harold Idrusu, our issues.
Akuma FM.
So, the leadership bench, the national leadership front, led by Johnson Asedun Ketia, and taking that decision alone. They took that decision alone. Maybe a mouth breakdown of NMSC here. They took that decision alone because in 2017, Abraham Naharu Idrusu, Mutaka Mubarak, and no more working now at the forefront of the leadership in Parliament, the minority leadership in Parliament. They never consulted anybody. Take notes. They never consulted anybody. And on your mind, there is nowhere in the NDC constitution that they should come and consult as soon as they are not been in taking any decision. No way. It's a party, no all discretion, say. And now, me do best one more, or China, me you. Party no will not, the party doesn't have any locus to consult anybody. It's a choir Mutakan Mufaso, a choir Harda Idrusu Mufaso, choir minority leaders in Parliament in 2017. Sakwaina. But Bibi Kwaso between Chairman Asedun Ketia and the Harda Idrusu. Bibi Kwaso between Harda Idrusu, Bibi Kwaso between Chairman Asedun Ketia and Mutaka Mubarak. I will tell you, God willing, next week. Near Kwaso no, Neyesikasem. Near Kwaso between Chairman Asedun Ketia and the Mutaka, Neyesikasem. Second one, near Kwaso between Chairman Asedun Ketia and the Mutaka, Neye supporting them. Two reasons. And to confirm you say, Chairman Asedun Ketia and Pe Mutaka sem. Chairman Asedun Ketia and Pe Harda Idrusu sem. So decision no matter taken a year. Now, so Asedun Ketia also made a shocking revelation. Next about Kika in next is so. A someone Asedun Ketia in is so. You know why? I says, "Oh, your coach." Now say, "Yeah, Bobo." Now, yeah, board. Say first half a year. Now go be a and I want to baako na akɔ second match na uhia tactics bi ade bɛkɔ mu a e say wo ye coach no e say wo apply new tactics bi na wo de mujamu no e de bam ene nasefo e da fa yikosi a ototo papa so saa now tie muntie ne ye pa muntie munya da je tie ne ye pa. So they are talking about the economy. It is somebody Dr. Kisley ato forcing eba na ye lawyer Haruna Idrusu esin chain. They are going to talk about energy. It's therefore Kofi Amabua Emra ye teacher Mutaka esin chain. Mutaka a teacher wa. Hey, me say I am going to give you shocking revelations. Then after the crisis meeting, you know. So decision way, regional executives of the party of NDC, they are not happy with the decision. But I want to say, Obia to me can accept. Obia to me can accept. Sisi Ameno can say, Haruna Idrusu has been reduced to the level where he is open for any contest. So the days of Haruna Idrusu, the days of Mutaka Mubarak, Ewasewase is near. I'm telling you. The days of Mutaka Mubarak, Ewasewase is near as a member of parliament. His days are well calculated, well calculated. It's so mako. So this is the time he said Mutaka Mubarak, Ofano Huadre. Because the leadership of the party says, hey, this is my country. These are my rules. This is my party. These are my rules. Opa,
That is indeed true. And the new changes will bring on board Dr. Kesela Tuforsen as the new minority leader, Honorable Ama Kofibua as the new deputy minority leader, and Honorable Governance Kwame Agboja as the new chief whip. And then we maintain Honorable Doyo Ganza and Honorable Ahmed Ibrahim. So this make up the new list of leadership in Parliament. Well, there are two questions. Why we are taking the decision and why to take a look at our leadership in Parliament, and that is what we've just done. So in terms of timing, it is in line with the way we are prosecuting the national reorganization. And in terms of why, it means what it tells you is that the only constant thing in nature is change. And so since the environment is changing, leadership and many other things must change along the new environment. We know, for instance, that going into election 2024, the economy is going to be the major battleground. And so many of the debates and other discussions will focus on the economy. So we better put your best man in the economy forward. That is what we've done. And then we also looked at energy, this petroleum and electricity challenges. And so we needed to settle on Kofi Amabua, our former minister, to be the deputy minority leader. And then the other area is infrastructure. And Kwame Agboja being our man in infrastructure should play a key role. So that generally is what informed the changes are going to handle it. Naturally, it will not be a pleasant news, but at least you need to give them the respect. So we communicated to them before writing the letters to them. And apart from the letter we have written to Mr. Speaker, each of them has been written a special letter acknowledging their contributions whilst they were in the leadership, and then thanking them and assuring them that the change has nothing to do with their competence or otherwise, but it has everything to do with the changing times and the changing field. And so that's about it. I indicated to you the reason for these changes.
Well, I said, yeah, that's it. Just a general, that's it. Now, so I prefer Senator Kawushi class 1 for than Wakachromu. Go and tell the class 1 people. Because you need an expert to lead the economic team. So, Oh, goodness. You need an expert to lead the energy team. Oh, I see. So their performance, the changes has nothing to do with their. It's as much for Muye de Kwa. Temale South for Muye de in the name of Father Drusumo Yan the Kwa. Take note. Let them be our code here.
Oh, Jebi Nyamiatum na. O my no na chese o twene ho kra won. E di o my kwa na nipa ba be free mu.
Now, before say Nyamiatum next week. And this is a seminar. I will bring it down for people to understand.
But as one say for nya de no.
Only said the day now. Tobo, only said there. Omo letter. And the bar say you the leadership bench no. Na mutaka ni Ghana.
Enti dey.
No ni Ghana.
So
esi
na ya dey. Party no mutaka dia. Aha, no obi nya aduma na nsa na mutaka wo nipa kron from mutaka baba isa aduma no. Ah, Jebi Emmanuel. Say no obi say adwuma no before say mutaka be ko parliament no no obi nya say adwuma no
no bi wo
and a party mutaka nko na dima do de ye ana
oh da bi
and asa say bi ono nko na betimi aboa NDC amanyoko no Ghana mrahye bedwafi ana asoasefo nyai e kame say NDC atutura sem ya ba mu atutura sem e ya ba NDC mu last year ye ba be wi afe no omo ba beto oba no enye wo mo na koto ayetuo e wo Kumasi Sports Stadium a Omo original elections. Ema police for on nyina dwane ye no.
Yes.
Omo ntutu amofom. San kofo ye twa omo akwasi sai. Wo moto ebi wo Cape Coast. Friends
youth organizer.
Any women's organizer about phone. Enu dia na see. Enya concert say no omkra wo Cape Coast wo.
Yeah, but you see, I was something said the two parties no mu ina seven brothers omo nwi o. Odim ne ntia.
Masa.
Ye kwa to 2016 election.
Ye mum ai.
Tobo MPP for power mo general secretary do mo chairman.
Ai.
And I'm going to camp NDC for us.
Masa. Jabi NDC for aswasi for nya dede no omo ye no ti say o kwa present a petitioner. And it's our concerned party no. Just a petition. What they come regional your friend say chairman. Our regional officer. Does it mean say kwana kwa sheshe ties? O kwa sheshe ties na nyame amfafie na ye wo pabrem agi wo ma se na na kwa adwani so. Ababa na wom. Wo se ties ababa na wom.
Omo
Wo ties sha monko esiedu nketia ho. Monko national office. Enya regional office.
But you see, there were policemen over there.
And I'm see Jebi. Enya regional office for and a pam we say Haruna your friend say one Muntaka. Enya regional half one a pam no. Esiedu nketia. One of the national office. Etibeya mo for side the way. Any ties na mo hye mo for nko. Enya Kumasi a. Enya Kumasi mo beto skirt and blouse for bi mo bay. Party adwuma ne sa na tie. Ebi be kwa ebi aba. Fan se Muntaka ne wono so ankade na mo bay. Masa was yes one tenanchen. Nani pa fofo mra. Enyu omko na didi yeye. Esu obi suba. No suba bedidi. They say esodi kete se o strategy. Oh na aduane ni mu anka omo yesa oye chiri. We demonstration om yeye. Enya press conference om yeye. Enya demonstration. Enya presentation of petition. Anu om yeye. Adododi ni mu anka we omo ani abre. Adododi ni mu anka woko Tamalia. Anka na idru sunsun ko fon ko omo so kekam. Ko Kesela to Forcing Central Region. Omo so ani aje.
Yes,
Sir Etibra munya di 7 days esedi kete waka wie esedi na abaye ena Muntaka no kwan sa wo sade ne babie mu ono kwa adwuma no wonye
adentia
na baye ode ya pomoni asade wa baye ode
yes fa
enya ode e ba sa ye se mpanifo re kan say ye ka na wanti afa no obi agyae ni abro ne ye hwew enti so sampre no se bia mesa ba no omnyina gya so okay ene ye no kwa no fa adwuma no ya se ne no wadwuma ni so je bia yam ya time ko nanka attorney general for no your first auditor general for no se form su age for ma ku kire nsem kakra kita mi sesi
auditor general
auditor general
yes
okay
I'm different from attorney general
okay that's so we su ye age we say auditor general o report no mo de aba ye bogus bogus et say nkate rubber anase bia papers ni ade chiche bro yedi bi chiche bro no report no de ba nyina no enso ba kokora nim amanfo wie Ghana sikenti de
normal
jebi emra wo ho emra won se me say ebra no kontaye me akakra we no aye audit service act 2000 act 584 and na mawurawura ma arrangement of sections
okay
section 17 Who can come why you probably be disallowance and after surcharges. Some disallowance is say charges. Say move money out to say. Will be any money seeker. Will be a use of money seeker any hour. More the powers. Yeah, Mubeti Mamia charges uncle for chrono. I'm here do my form across
only power to say, oh yeah, they do it.
Away.
They do it, but they don't have the power to prosecute.
Men can't say what the power to prosecute. No
charge it.
Now me when no me buy no. Me see, I feel the no me buy ni JB. One of my charge no.
Almost omoye.
And I'm
saying me na me say omoyu, almost omoye.
But you did this omoye.
You Ghana ne ono.
Etina me say, it's a report no me abando and yet the best. A young criticism to the highest degree. A young some fun sample form of manano. Ye young cassa COVID by dinner, Mr. COVID be a magano, Mimi Gidemono, COVID Baco Magana, will be a COVID actually, JB.
This is a Joe who go out of COVID.
Massa,
yes, JJ Rollins COVID Nikuno.
One a catch a war.
Sado Moka.
Gradinankopo.
Yes, JJ Rollins.
JB, Missy Woon,
John.
But when him would you to say COVID abaga, a bit bagana.
I mean, I see ye in Ghana.
There be but who did this be by it?
My family whom
Anna, a chrono, about we are conform. JB, win him about it. Chrono, Mabo Chrono to the stand say. COVID-19 is and an hour can say that shoot ya COVID-1 tax. And
the South Rowy.
Crown crosses and
Okomoa, a 3 cities, is it 2 cities, 70 pesos or something? We bet you 1% COVID-19, 1% levy.
Yeah, they Bonnie Bay.
Okotos 1 Wabetia.
And now, Dr. Kuma Boaje, a cancer almost have our pioneer beam. Almost some sabe will be him. Was see, you say active case, one more best bay 11 no say.
Pania no.
Massa, Ubekum go.
Pania no. So most start here. Me ma also must send a message 10 media Bremen. Look. You stage a demonstration against our panels, our COVID vaccine. You stage a demonstration against it.
JB, media may the Uber demonstration fine. But me point and say, or my yes, your pie of Sina, your pie of one, young we are sending. On send an offer the watching me. Yeah, me catch us at this Ministry of Health. The most useless ministry. Man can't show. And you're now to me on the name Casa Semono. Manka. No. Yana that way. You chrono power my figures now Bob and I'm disappointed in you. Can it trillion and can Ghana see the full free Debbie? Sir, utilization of European DNA or maybe a cock facilities, yet be a total, yet the big clinic hospitals outdoor. 19.78 trillion. Ghana see Canada can number of 4 and then cock for the no Montiasi. Naja Ghana see billion trillion. Sika mo we di no and then you whom be a Sikanafa. Yenumu Debia Unim said the year COVID the buy an age name Kiddy Pano. Omo no Major tax in a from say.
Via a GR.
Unim is one work CD on my target.
Yes,
a brand new see Nippon quote Nippon time. No activity, no member break.
That year,
almost CD on my target.
Yes,
it is Sikanaway
2001. So 2021.
So Sikanaway. Oh, my chest Kennedy. From my surobesi from or much as Kennedy. Ya check COVID-19 sika maybe akoso Black Stars, Black Queens. Ebi so local teams ni nyina so. COVID.
Legend, my me realize that.
So when I will be on me, I believe sir disallowance ni sir set charges. Omo fanya aduma ya ka set charge no a. Jebi se bi a wo betena your friends auditor general for nanim. Ya bisa say unhu ba bi odi sika na fa che say sika no wi adi. Enti set charge wa say sika no ya gifiri wo. Na your friends set charge. Say gifiri wo.
Say brofo.
Brofo. Oh yeah pocket lawyer so. Ye ni abrepa. Enti ya je na enti emra na wa ye ntimi ni. And in law, we have something called principle of tracing.
Okay.
Nippon, Sikana Mundi Amediayo. And they are the Japadi. Take Japadi no the iron, Yenny baby or ni detain and the bio detain a day. Obiani baby free, Obiani baby out here. 88 Tracy. Enco, Nana Japadi and Yankoton.
Yeah, for the biggest outdoor events.
Useless country, 4 pound and the public.
And that big country in your phone.
Leadership on your
leadership.
Okay, in your country. I have leadership.
Because it's so who say, on my way I to be a Wanyasafo, a womb. Anyasafo, the so 2 4 say to Tunum, and then a himful, or we Anyasafo pa.
Yeah, flow my papa.
Yeah, political leaders, no.
Woman, I have phone. Phone power,
but hello, my joy.
Hello, JB. Good evening. Hello, JB. Good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, your friend Poji, Mikasa free Atunsu. Aspa constituency Poji baako pɛ na me chairman Chama Sharif and
Poji me nimre wa misro
you me nua be ma debi de see ye no de ye papa Chama 1 asedu nketia ye no me Poji me fuano so because 2024 NDC nya green Emma party because yankofa minority for yankofa munta Haruna Jusu because hand parliament ni yehun adwuma omoye eboa hand parliament because ene etise ye wo majority MPP so wo majority wo parliament enti ene akotisu atofosing se omoye adwuma den emwa minority a me Poji be faso atwase for ye tre wo
that's good am adwo
yeah
Living it today.
I made it in the house.
We the king of Tashi Davis next day.
I go Shigogo.
I will go Shigogo back of now, I told you now, you see, when your cassette is here, they are saying to all Cassana when Yakama, you I know you fool, I know, or money, you need money or phone, and the Debbie. And you walk at the over papa, nebu, papa, big people, then any market at them. Debbie, people in your young tell yes, and be a dear radio to count. The young would tell yes, and my dear radio to Niaka. Yes, it be a big comes idea, and what? Let Debbie Crow can say, who say, I am a more and I'll do good yet, or back it to a crowd, my edu, about I want to come to my.
Of course. Say na ye bu maya. Listen to my choice of words. Me say and ye bu maya. Me back it to me to me busama.
And another member ya. And
ya wona hu ni sa.
You pay enjoy and yes Ghana the beer be could be ano. Obi eba e school come no. O back it to one wo be me busama my way say.
Yes.
Debbie, who you know one name what I say yes.
Oh yes.
Oh JB.
Me that say. Majoy.
Mejo so JB.
Majoy family.
Manon kokra na yan kasem papa. Wa wo de hye Kofi NDC, National of Communication Officer. JB. Na memo nyamamo fun nyamamo tantan nyamamo kankan. Ya to memo na fa sa asumpanifo nyina mu tu galam say. Na da na de hye mu kofa asanwan. Mo fin be bi betu galam say ma da na de hye bre kom de omo. Na wo ba so nyamamo fun. Then some of us are catching Ghana for no. You have NDC for Munyabutre, National Executive, Party Penny for take a decision. Yes, Ramo, 2 million a pay. Nothing for winning more Yama.
But say, that's it. Yeah, legend.
Gabi, ya benante, Yami Aduma Memenda.
Oh, yes,
a china penny chantemu.
Fantastic.
Papa no taxi driver, young Fakani, so no Mrammy and Ante. I had the phone as a car. You face the reality on grounds. Massa, boys, ya ability, ya baba nante memenda. Echa, ayo kumasi huashia. Akuma from Yanima, and a Gmediano, yes, Siania Nantimua, a Honjo runabout, near PMO, as Safuin touch and Yamacom traffic light, near Bukofono, Abbey Kumasago Pramaso. Nahonomania Baya Baba Gina Mise Ba. Me doggy boys, me name man, why Robert Sebet me a bay, a better in your pomu. Yevian is ano, a mega kinky, a mega kinko, be by Biabena, Docno Papa be Eddie, no one sweat me aquan if you yen 19 years, Rabian to me, now Obianso and Napotier. Now, almost say, one more as cinema Jumedian Abasono, a be a Yona pharmacy. Omena de Palian capsules aba etu koko yadiase St. Ben Jewelry womo ewo afon kwanta ene afi adum 0244 28 41 22 Dr. Musu Herbal Clinic the Penny's Doctor or BFN say Club 600 ewo tafo se bema de wungu yanu kwanse otena wiase se wonso bema no wateno eno so ewu da bida 0247 776743 0247 77 67 43 Fresia Nampen for Enyoso na Abiba special kenke one mu anwojo otra CBG no a wonu na to so sabre nyina dokro no aye ready amanfo di dokro depend na makese oh enya sam ketro kra Abiba say bia na wo ye bi engagement wo wade kra na abahia no a of the kenke papa correct one e bro 0555 786147 0555 78 61 47 na Royal Dish Out Restaurant nso ɛwɔ akoma fam yɛn nkyɛn yɛyi ɛwɔ asokwane mu no yɛ opposite aduane papa fie ne hɔ no mo ɛmo deɛ na ohia ɛno nso 0552 683144 0552 68 31 44 and after may local bar. In fact, how no qua a fresh yogurt and after so blue woman yet chiromo buaqua 0555 67 0595 0555 67 0595 National Sports Authority. Woman can be Namia Tomo, China Penetrant, Mumenda. Okay. But
I say so on behalf of the entire production team, Obibine Akohene, and of course Bellucci, Senna, and the legendary legend. Mimamina Ajo, your friend JB. Nyami Atuma, that's an ebesa social. Miss Ramo, Muhammad, yeah, be a license to me, a friend, and Mufa Cheme, and I'm running equity. Nyami Atuma next week, Menya Daje Diamamu. Nyami Atuma next week, you have the voice notes in the bar. But don't person me dim come up, I'm a family number, and my friend. Why? 0242 23 27 06 0242 23 27 06. Mimamu ina ajo yakramu. The nation is fighting.